Want to grow your team in Zoho CRM? Here's how to add new users and assign the right roles and permissions. If this helps, be sure to like and subscribe for more CRM tips. Start by logging into Zoho CRM and click on the setup icon in the top right corner. Under the users and controls section, tap on users. Now click on the add user button. Enter the user's name, email address and role. You can also assign them to a specific department if needed. Once filled out, hit save and send invite. They'll receive an email with login instructions. To assign or create roles, stay in setup and click roles under users and control. Here you'll see the role hierarchy. Click create role to add a new one. Give it a name like sales executive or marketing manager, then define who they report to. You can control what users can see and do by adjusting their profile. Go to profiles under the same section. Choose an existing profile or create a new one and check the modules and permissions they should have access to. Once roles and profiles are ready, assign them to each user by editing their user settings. You can update their role, profile and territory anytime based on changes in your team structure. That's it. You've successfully added users and assigned roles in Zoho CRM. Like this guide? Smash that like button and subscribe for more Zoho CRM tutorials made easy.